The second aisle is the second aisle. Come on, Barbie, let's go party. Yeah. I'm so funny. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne, and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, this was not supposed to be today's video, but I got a package in the mail, and I could not wait to film it, so here we are. Now, I am not typically one who buys collaboration makeup items, but Colourpop just launched their Barbie collaboration and I had to pick it up. I had to. Barbie is my childhood. I lived for Barbie. I had all the Barbies. I had a Barbie bedroom. I had a Barbie Jeep. Everything Barbie, I had. It was me. I am that kid. So when I saw that they were going to launch a Barbie collection, I felt this primal instinct inside of me rise up and enter my credit card information and then press buy. So my inner child bought this collection, and now I'm going to open it up, show you what I got, and I'm going to put it on my face. Yes. Okay, great. Okay, so the box came really well packaged. There is a ton of bubble wrap in here. So first I'm just going to show you everything that I got, and then I will show you the inspiration for the makeup look I am going for today, and then I will put it all on my face. Okay, the first item I got, I'm just going to get out of the way because it is actually not from the Barbie collection, but I did get one of the Pretty Fresh hyaluronic acid setting mists. I've had my eye on this for a while, and I felt like it was sold out for a while, but I noticed they had some in stock, so I just picked one up. I recently finished my Morphe setting spray, and I was looking for a new one, so this is the one I chose. Okay, from the Barbie collection, I ordered 3 different items. I didn't order the entire collection. I felt it would have been like a little bit of a waste of money because I wouldn't have used it all. So first, for the lip product that I got one of the Lip Duos, and I have a Cream Luxe lipstick and a lippy pencil. And these are in the shade Malibu Sunset. So all of the items have this like adorable Barbie packaging, and this is Malibu Sunset. Ooh, that's soft. That was really soft. Wow, okay. There's the Luxe lipstick. Oh my gosh. How cute is that? The lippy pencil. Okay. There's the pencil. The second item is their Super Shock highlighter, and I'm actually very excited because I haven't tried a Colourpop highlighter yet, and this is in the color Beach Party. Ooh. Oh my gosh, the packaging looks like toy packaging. It's marbled. Okay. It's very, very soft, very smooth to the touch. That is the highlighter. Is incredibly pigmented. I am very excited for this item. And last but not least, the final item I got from the Barbie collection was the eyeshadow palette. Of course, I could not get the eyeshadow palette. It has cardboard packaging, so good job, Colourpop. All of the names are written here on the back in these like cute little hearts. And that is what she looks like. They are all so bright, so colorful. This is like the most perfect summer or spring eyeshadow palette. The first thing that I noticed is in this collection, there is not one of those pressed glitters. So part of me is kind of thinking, is Colourpop listening? Like first I noticed the cardboard packaging, which is one of the complaints I hear a lot about Colourpop. All of those 9-pan eyeshadow palettes all have plastic packaging, which is not biodegradable. And then also the pressed glitters, which are not technically eye safe. A lot of people tend to have issues with that. And this palette doesn't actually have any of those in it. All right, let me get my swatching arm out here. Yes. I'm gonna start on the top row and go across. This shade is called Cali Girl. Vintage Doll. Come On. Ooh, okay. Let's Go Party. Okay. shine on. Oh my God. Holy shit. Okay. All right. It's cool. Cool. Calm down. I'm calm. I'm cool. Clean fingers. Okay. Only the best swatches for my babies. Okay. The best. Only the best for you. This first shade is called West Coast. Yellows are a little tricky. Best Coast. The second row isn't as impressive. Follow the Sun. Ooh, that one's pretty. Malibu Memories. The mattes. Zuma Beach. Okay, it's all right. Gonna get my other swatching arm out. This one's all full. Okay, the final row. This one is called Make Waves, Boardwalk, Surf's Up. That one's really pretty. 1971. Even though this palette has a lot of crazy colors in it, I think it actually has a lot of wearable colors as well, which I think that's great. SoCal. That one was a bad swatch. Let me try again. That one was bad. SoCal. Okay. All right. So these are the colors in the Barbie X Colourpop eyeshadow palette. Ooh, very bright. Very promising. For this makeup look, I had two sources of inspiration, if you will, and they came from a Good Housekeeping article that was all about the Barbies that were the most popular the year you were born. And I will show you the Barbie that popped up for my birth year, which was 1993. It is Police Barbie. And when I saw her, I was a little underwhelmed. I was like, oh, what the hell am I going to do with that? You know, like, my backup Barbie was going to be, I am 28 years old, so then I was going to choose the 28th Barbie, which is Rocker Barbie, and she looked a lot more fun. So I'm going to get off camera really quickly, do all of my makeup, and I will be back very shortly. Okay. Everything is always listed down below in the description box for you in case you're ever curious of anything that's going on in my videos. I guess I did kind of pick and choose my inspiration for this look, but it still kind of counts, you know? 28th Barbie, 28th year, right? Okay. I do really like these blue shades, but it's like I don't want to do a Barbie look without using pink. I mean, come on. So, whoa. These shadows are extremely powdery. This is Make Waves. I just recently passed my 100th subscriber, so thank you so much for those of you who are sticking around, hitting that subscribe button. It really means the world to me as a small creator. It's just nice to know that all the effort that you're putting into your videos isn't going nowhere. So thank you so much. I had told myself months and months ago that after I hit my 100th subscriber, that I was going to do a new makeup nonsense bingo with Teresa is Dead, Emily Han, Spooky Lips, Fat Hips. They all have this little series that they do called New Makeup Nonsense Bingo, where basically it's like a randomly generated new makeup item, and you have a bingo board, and then you're basically just, I don't know. So that had kind of crossed my mind. I said I was going to do that, you know, once my time came, but now that it's here, I'm just not, I don't know, like, would you guys want to see me do that and like hear my thoughts on new products that are launching? I've never done an anti-haul here on my channel, so if that's something that you would be interested in seeing, then let me know down below. I'd like to know who would be interested in it. All of my favorite brushes are dirty. Okay, I'm just going to build up this color. Next, I'm going in with, where am I going in with? Vintage Doll, right here, which is actually a shimmery shade. I had to get this palette. I had to get this palette. I couldn't leave it. So far, both of these shades that I've used have been very pigmented, very creamy, nice to add onto the eye. A little powdery, as I mentioned before, but that's okay. That doesn't really necessarily bother me. Sometimes I find if it's powdery and it lacks pigment, then it's underwhelming. But if it's powdery and that just means it's kind of like a soft formula, then I'm okay with that, you know? I'm going in with a little NYX glitter glue. Just on the center here. Did you see my last video where I tried graphic liner? Man, was I out of my league. This very bright shimmery color, Follow the Sun. Wow. This is a very, very pretty shade. It's almost got a little bit of an orange shift to it. They did excellent with these shades so far. I'm very, very impressed. I'm just gonna go back in with Make Waves and just kind of blend the top part out a little bit. It got a little too sharp for me. I'd like to diffuse it out. More of Vintage Doll. Basically, I'm just kind of going in where I've already gone and darkening things up. Some things get lost in the blend, so I just like to go back in and make sure that you can see them. If people really posted how long actual makeup tutorials take, no one would ever watch their videos, because I'm not kidding. It takes like 30 minutes of blending just to get an eyeshadow look that looks decent. Basically, I usually have about like 40 to 50 minutes of footage, and then I edit it all down into like a happy little 14 to 15 minute segment. You're welcome. Since I already have my face makeup on, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with the bottom lash color. I think I'm going for this hot pink shade called Best Coast. This is a matte shade. So basically what I do is I'll place the shade, and it looks a little intense, I know. Trust me, it all comes together in the end. My inner child, I'm pretty sure she's screaming, and she's just thinking, you made it in life. You made it. Good for you. Okay. I know it looks crazy. I really wish I had an orange shimmer in here. I would use the heck out of that shade. The shimmery pink, this lid shade that I've got, I'm going to just add a little bit more of the shimmery shade and diffuse it out. Got intense. A little bit of orange on the bottom as well, just to bring the top and bottom in together, because I laid an orange base down. I'm going in with Let's Party here. Boop, boop. Yeah. Well, I am being Rockstar Barbie, so Rockstar Barbie needs eyeliner. Okay. So as you can see, the shades are extremely powdery and creamy. I have absolutely made a mess. It's a little satisfying to me, actually. I don't mind it. But my by far favorite shade in this palette is in the very center. It is so, so beautiful. I think it is a duochrome with like an orange shift to it. And then I paired that with like an orange underneath it. I love it. I love it so much. If the Rockstar Barbie had this palette, this is the look she would do with it. I know it. I know it is. Okay, we have two other products to try out, so let's move on to the highlighter next, because I'm actually dying to try it. Okay, again, this is the Beach Party Super Shock Highlighter. And I'm sure she would use a ton of highlighter too. I mean, she's a rock star. This has like a goldeny, sun-kissed look about it. I like a lot of highlighter, okay? Don't judge me. Love it. It is a little bulky. I mean, that's pretty big compared to like, this is the highlighter I'm using right now. That's a pretty big size difference. This would be kind of taking up a lot of space in my makeup bag, but I do think it's very beautiful. I love it. Okay, the last items are my lips. So far, I'm obsessed. I'm absolutely obsessed. Okay, again, this is the Lippy Pencil in Malibu Sunset. Very creamy. Also very creamy. It's been so long since I've actually worn like a lipstick, like a bullet lipstick. It's been a long time. And I dab it out. These are so creamy, they will literally just slide right off of your lips. I'm sure I'm going to have all kinds of teeth transfer as well. And my last product, completely unrelated to the Barbie x Colourpop collab, is the Hyaluronic Acid Setting Face Mist. Smells of coconuts. Okay, and this is the look that I think that Rockstar Barbie would put together if she had this collection. I thoroughly enjoyed everything that I tried from the Barbie collection. I was extremely skeptical. Basically, I only just got it because it said Barbie on it, and I am a Barbie stan to this day. My little 5-year-old heart was just yearning for this collection, so I had to give her what she wanted. It is her birthday month after all, so I did enjoy it. I actually would recommend it if you are looking for like this bright, summery, glowy type of situation, then go check it out and let me know what you think of my look down below in the comments. Yes, okay. That is going to be all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give me 2 big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.